Today is the day to take advantage of this economic uncertainty we are in and get rich in this recession. Now, I know times are tough, and a lot of you might be struggling to make ends meet. But trust me, there are plenty of ways to build wealth during this economic downturn. But before we get started, please like, subscribe and hit the bell button if you haven't already. Also, please check the links in the description below for anything we discussed in this video. It really helps the channel out so that I can create more high-quality content for you. So without further ado, here are 8 things you can do to get rich in a recession. 1. Invest in the stock market. Now, I know what you're thinking. The stock market is crashing. How can I possibly make money from that? Well, the truth is, if you invest in the right companies at the right time, you can actually make tons of money. Take Apple, for example. During the Great Recession of 2008, Apple's stock price dropped by nearly 50%, but if you had bought $10,000 worth of Apple stock back then, it would be worth well over $100,000 today. So don't be afraid to invest in the stock market, just make sure you do your research and invest in solid companies with a track record of success. 2. Start a business. During a recession, many people are afraid to start a business. But the truth is, this can be a great time to start something new. With so many businesses struggling, there are plenty of opportunities to fill a gap in the market. Take Airbnb, for example. They started during the Great Recession and now they're worth over $69 billion. So if you have a great idea, don't be afraid to take the plunge and start your own business. 3. Invest in real estate. Real estate can be a great investment during a recession. With so many people struggling to make their mortgage payments, there are plenty of opportunities to buy properties at a discount. Just make sure you do your research and invest in properties that are likely to appreciate in value over time. For example, a few years ago, if you bought a home in Los Angeles for $500,000 in 2008, today, it could be worth over $800,000. Real estate is a long-term play, but it has made more millionaires than any other business. Start small with condos, duplexes or single-family homes and build your business in a smart way. 4. Learn a new skill. During a recession, it's more important than ever to have a diverse set of skills. If you're struggling to find work, consider learning a new skill that's in high demand. For example, if you learn how to code, you could work as a software engineer and make a great living even during tough times. There are many free ways to learn a skill on YouTube or affordable ways with organized classes with companies like Udemy or Skillshare. 5. Pay off debt. It's important to get your finances in order during a recession. If you have debt, make it a priority to pay it off as quickly as possible. This will not only improve your financial situation, but it will also give you peace of mind during these uncertain times. If you have credit card debt, check to see if there are 0% balance transfer cards available to you and you can possibly pay off your debt with no interest after paying the balance transfer fee. Most of the time the balance transfer fee is 5% or less of the total balance, so if you currently have a large balance on a high interest rate card, it could be cheaper and easier to pay it off with a 0% balance card. 6. Save money. In a recession, it's important to cut back on unnecessary expenses and save as much money as possible. This doesn't mean you have to live like a hermit, but it does mean you should be mindful of your spending and prioritize saving for the future. Buying groceries and cooking instead of eating at restaurants is one way to save money. Another is cutting down on subscription services you do not regularly use. If you have a favorite Netflix or Disney Plus show, it may be beneficial to your wallet to subscribe when the new season is released instead of subscribing all year. 7. Create a side hustle. This could mean taking a leap and starting that Etsy side hustle you always thought about, or building that blog on your favorite hobby. It's easy to get discouraged and feel like you're not making progress. But investing in yourself during a recession can help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. These side hustles can quickly become lucrative with consistent improvement or learning new skills to achieve your profit goals. 8. Network. During tough times, it's more important than ever to build a strong network. This could mean attending networking events, reaching out to old colleagues, or joining online communities related to your industry. Building relationships with others can open up new opportunities and help you get ahead even during a recession. You could find a business partner or valuable insight into your specific business passion to take it to the next level. So there are 8 strategies you can do to get rich in a recession. Now, I want to give you some specific examples of how these strategies can be applied in real life. Remember, it's important to stay focused and remain positive during tough times. With hard work, dedication, and a little bit of luck, you can achieve your financial goals even during a downturn. Let's start with investing in the stock market. During the pandemic, many stocks took a major hit, but some reached new heights. For example, Zoom video communications saw its stock price skyrocket during the pandemic as remote work and virtual meetings became more common. By investing in Zoom early on and selling it, you could have made a significant profit. But now the stock is down significantly from its highs. So moving on to solid companies that do well in all types of market environments could be key to your investment style. Next, let's talk about starting a business. During the pandemic, many small businesses struggled to stay afloat, but some were able to pivot and find new opportunities. For example, small bakeries shifted gears and started selling their baked goods through delivery services directly to customers' homes. By adapting to the changing market, they were able to stay in business and even attract new customers. When it comes to real estate, there are many opportunities to buy properties at a discount during a recession. For example, during the 2008 housing crisis, many investors bought up foreclosed properties and turned them into rental properties. By doing so, they were able to generate passive income and build long-term wealth. This market is different, with higher mortgage interest rates and higher than normal property cost in many parts of the country. You can still find deals with homes that need renovations or buying properties in up-and-coming areas. Homes that are a bit farther from cities but still have a good economy can be a lucrative deal with potentially lower property taxes too. Learning a new skill can also pay off in a big way during a recession. For example, many people have turned to online learning platforms like Skillshare, Udemy or Coursera to learn new skills like digital marketing or graphic design. By mastering these skills, they were able to land new jobs or start their own businesses. Paying off debt and saving money are both crucial steps to achieving financial stability during a recession. So remember, if you have credit card debt, focus on paying it off as quickly as possible to avoid accumulating interest charges. And if you're able to save money during a recession, you'll be better equipped to handle any unexpected expenses that may come up. Remember, the key to building wealth is to focus on what you can control. You can't control the economy, but you can control your own actions and decisions. So don't be afraid to take risks, be persistent, and stay focused on your goals. I hope you found these strategies helpful. If so, kindly click the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any other ideas for how to get rich in a recession, be sure to leave a comment below. Remember, you are destined for greatness. Check out our video on how ChatGPT discovers money-making secrets hidden in your personality.